Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas, offloading the new flooring that's going in. For the floors. Walls pretty much painted. Looks really, really good. Rooms look really nice. Getting everything situated. Also going to do a major cleanup once floors are laid. 1252 Nicholas, signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.